So make sure your toe in the back is straight and you're pushing with your toes, squeezing the floor, firing up your glute. Yeah, fire that bad boy up and press down. So you're going to press down and hold it there. Pull your heel back towards your inner thigh and pull your knee forward towards your heel. Squeeze. Think you want to smash the floor together. Press and hold. Hold it there for 5, big toe, 4, work it 3 and 2 and 1. And then release your toes, maybe lean back just a little bit. Push with your back foot. Boom. Flex your toes over. Drag your toes over to the floor. Hold. Hold it there for 5. Push with your back for 4, like a runner getting ready to get out of the gate. For 3, press with your hands, push with your toes, 2, and then 1. And then slowly release it. Lean back just a little bit. Yeah. And last one, press down with your toes. Hook the pedal backwards. Drag it backwards. Make it move. Press down with your toes. Pause and hold. Squeeze your back foot. Push your knee forward on the left. Pull your heel backwards on the right. Press through your back. Pause and hold. Stay there just like that. Pull your organs to the wall behind you, to the ceiling maybe. Hold. That was number 3. Release your toes because they're probably talking to you.